Hey, what's up, guys? So, Discord announced some new exciting sound packs on the April Fool's Day, featuring the sounds from Lil Yachty, the American rapper, Chaos, and my uncle. So, let's see how you can use these sound packs. So, for that, you need to go to Discord, and on Discord, you need to go to user settings, and then on user settings, go to notifications, and under the notifications section on the right side you'll see an option of sound pack. There's a drop down there, so if you click on the drop down it gives you three options: Chaos, Lil Yachty, and my uncle. So let's try the Lil Yachty one first. I'm going to play the different sounds which are available in each of the packs.
Doo doo. Y'all is too much, man. Talk to me. Cut the mic. Turn me up. See you, dog. Beep. Boop. No, wow, you got friends, huh? Easy come, easy go. Now pick it up, man. This little boat calling you. This once in a lifetime chance. Fool, pick up this call. Ring, ring. Dog, answer. It's your homies. You not gonna answer? So you just sitting there. You just gonna do what you do, and you not gonna answer this call. You not gonna answer this call right now. You seriously not gonna answer this call. Man, answer the call. Man, answer the call. Answer the call. It's showtime, baby. Let's go, baby. Well, goodbye. And about time the fans pulled up. What's up? No loyalty.
Hello? Knock it off. What a ruckus. Turn it down. I tell ya. The Wi-Fi's broken.
Huh? Huh?
Hey, kiddo. Catch you kiddos later. More the merrier. Knock, knock. Who's there? Hello? Dang Wi-Fi off? Is this a selfie? Is this thing on? Well, okay then.
So these are all the sounds from each of the sound packs which have been introduced. Hope you like the video. And another thing I would like to add here is that these packs are only available for a limited period of time. So go check these out before these are removed in the next update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.